We start with point of purchase at 11:30 and proceed to treasure hunt at the same time. The same time starts Bilal Street, the star attraction of today. We go on to Tech Games again at 11:30. The street play from the HR Club at 11:30. The gaming sports in the computer lab again at 11:30. We then proceed to the extempore at 12 p.m.
And after that we have face painting at 11:30 a.m. in lawn. After that we have Arushi NGO Kids performance at 1 p.m. here at the main stage. Then we have performance by, we have our Noon Rock, which is at 2:15 p.m. again on main stage. Then we have our group dance competition, which is Dance Till Drop, again at the main stage at 3:30 p.m. till 5:30 p.m. 5:35 we start our closing ceremony. And after that we have our major event, which is War of DJs at 6 in the evening. So this is the event, and on that note I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Sharma, CEO of Adani Energy Group, to give us such a good start. So we really enjoyed the experience and we have taken a learning from it. Thank you very much, sir, for coming here. We also thank all the faculty members to be present here and giving this event such a good start. Thank you.